In this video, we will talk about how to download and install C++ Redistributable Windows 11. Make sure to watch the complete video before you follow any step. Step 1. Go to the official Microsoft download page. Open the browser. In the address bar, type Download C++ Redistributable and press Enter. Make sure you are selecting the same download page. Step 2. Download the correct version. Scroll it down. Here you need to select your bit version. If you have a 32-bit based processor, then you need to select x86. If you have a 64-bit based processor, then select x64. To check, click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left side, select System. Scroll it down and select About. Here you can see your system type. I have 64-bit based processor, so I am selecting x64. Step 3. Run the installer. Select Open File. Check the box to agree the license terms. Click on Install and select Yes. This will start installing the setup. After installing, click on Close and restart your PC. So that's how you can download and install C++ Redistributable Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like and drop your feedback in the comments. That's all for today. See you in the next video.